Hello friends, and welcome back to this brand new episode of Microsoft Power BI. In this episode, we are going to see how to append queries. So what do we mean by append queries? So simply, appending queries allows you to combine tables that share the exact same column structure and data types. And in this scenario, we are going to append AdventureWorks 2015 table to AdventureWorks 2016 table. And it's valid because AdventureWorks 2015 shared the exact same table structure as AdventureWorks 2016. And appending data means adding rows to an existing table. So let's see how we can append AdventureWorks 2016 to AdventureWorks 2015. So first of all, we have to get our data. Sorry. And I already have my data here. AdventureWorks 2015 is here. So we are going to get our second data set. Let me close this one. So we go to get data, new source, and then CSV file. And here I'll select AdventureWorks 2016. So let me load it. It's loading. And as you can see, it shares the exact table structure as the AdventureWorks 2015. So let me add it up and let's wait till it adds up. Right, so right now we have 2016 and then we have AdventureWorks 2015. So we are going to see how to append AdventureWorks 2016 to AdventureWorks 2015. That means to add AdventureWorks 2016 rows to the existing AdventureWorks 2015 to make the table well populated. Right, so we go to merge queries, append queries, and then append a query as new. We can choose to append queries, which will add AdventureWorks 2016 to AdventureWorks 2015. So here we select the table that we want to append, which is AdventureWorks 2016, and then we select OK. So right now, AdventureWorks 2016 has been appended to AdventureWorks 2015, but the table is so populated that you can't even see. And you might feel that the operation wasn't successful. So let's go back and then append the table as a new table. Okay. So append as new, and then we select our first table. Here we are appending only just two tables. So we have 2015, then I select 2016.